Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura C6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the PEP motor, the one that is located right behind this panel. So that means we had to remove everything from the machine. The whole frontal part had to come out, the display had to be flipped, a lot of wires and a lot of things had to be moved in order to connect this long wire into the back of the motherboard and then put this motor into the front of the machine. Once we had that connected, we were trying to test the milk portion, the steamer of the machine. We found out that the older one, this piece over here, was not frothing correctly, so we had to replace it as well. So starting with one cappuccino, we're going to be testing this beautiful machine. Then we're going to be using the hot water and then do an espresso shot as well. Apologies for that. Gonna cancel it because I do not have any liquid in here. And I should have done it with milk. In the meantime, we're gonna be testing the spouts as we didn't do any milk or anything. I had to cancel it because we didn't have enough liquid in there. As you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming from the spouts. Excellent color as well. And now we're gonna do a milk portion of just to test the frother. As you see, nice frothing coming out from the frother itself. This one was splattering all over the place and it was not doing its job correctly. And this old motor was just pushing the back of this and not letting the machine froth correctly, as you see right now. Excellent froth. 20 seconds all the way, working the way it's supposed to. Really good cappuccino. Now we're going to be testing the hot water that is going to come out through here. As you can see, steady stream coming out from the one. Working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Jura C6 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.